So today we're here on our cabinet shop and we do a lot of marble tile, and we ordered this diamond tip that comes with the chuck, the 3/8 chuck, and we use this a lot when we drill for the water faucets or for plumbing. And so we're gonna use it and show you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the bit on the drill, hold it, and make sure you lock your drill. And after you got your bit and everything, you mark it on your piece that you're gonna do. Gotta have your dimension. And what you wanna do, you wanna start slow because this doesn't have a point in the middle, so you're gonna eyeball it in the center of your mark that you wanted. And there you go.
This thing is a beast when it comes out to making holes on any kind of material. So just be careful when you're doing this. Always move it around. You don't want to go straight down, all right? Always move it around. So even if it widens just a little bit, make sure you calculate exactly how you're going to cut it. So hope you guys enjoy the video.